Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hark Graphic Design Institute. I'll be your host. My name is Peter. I'm the lead creative designer for Hark Graphics Academy. I'll be your lead designer for Art Swift Bootcamp. Whether you're a professional designer or you are a newbie in the world of design, this course is for everyone. As we are going to be talking more extensively, not only on the software we are going to be using for graphic design, but we are going to be talking extensively on how you can replicate, how you can design what is in your mind on any other software. Course actually is for newbie. This course is for professionals, as you are going to be going deeper into the world of creativity where imaginations know no bounds. We are not just going to be teaching you how you can use simple pixels, shapes, and typography. We are going to be talking more extensively on how you can replicate these pixels. Complex designs, as we know, they are additions of simple designs. So we start from the elementary aspect or the fundamental aspect, then we progress into the master class. I will love you as you start your journey into the world of graphic design. You can ask questions, free, interact with your friends, make friends with the student out there. I will encourage you as a student of this training to make friends, ask questions on anything you need or any confusing part of design. I assure you that Hark Graphics Academy will provide you with the best offer and which you need, and provide you with the best training you need to become a professional. And if you are a professional designer, to increase your skill, to increase your knowledge and digital skill, this course will also be an advantage for you, as it's going to be teaching you more into the world of designs and creativity. My best wishes. Have a great day.